Hi, in this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to use API calls in clay.com, but it's not going to be the normal tutorial where I show you like the technical ins and outs. Basically, I just want to show you the thought process that you need to basically solve any API issue that you're facing in Clay. So if you're anything like me and you're not a software developer, you're fairly technical, but you don't actually know how to code and you don't really want to waste loads of time learning the exact ins and outs of API calls. You just have a go-to-market idea that you want to execute as quickly as possible, then this is probably the best strategy to go through. So you want to add in your HTTP API column in Clay. To do that, all you have to do is press add column. Yeah, all you have to do is press add column and then add enrichment. And then just search HTTP and just pick that one. And then once you get in here, like the first time I looked at one of these columns, I was just a bit lost. I didn't know what I needed to do. Did I need to do a post? Did I need to do a get? I had no idea. The best thing I found is just whatever you're trying to achieve, whether that's connect an enrichment tool or connect make.com or N8N, the first place to start is finding their API docs. So in this case, I wanted to connect kit.ai because they don't have a native integration with Clay, but they have very, very cheap and quality email enrichment. So I came to Kit, I signed in, and I found their API docs. So all you need to do is click on the API docs, whatever tool you're using, and either copy the link or just copy all of the text and add that into ChatGPT into a project. Literally, ChatGPT will be able to read through all the context in their API docs and get you everything you need without you manually reading through everything. I would really recommend downloading Super Whisper so that you can just talk to ChatGPT and just verbally explain what you're trying to achieve. So in my case, it was very simple. I was just trying to connect kit.ai. ChatGPT had all of the context and it was just able to tell me exactly the settings that I needed to put in Clay. And then I just put them in Clay, press play, saw if it worked, and it worked. This is a very simple situation, but you'll probably have more complicated ones. In those situations, if you're trying to connect, let's say Zapier or like make.com, another great like place to start is going to ChatGPT and going to their custom GPT section where you can find um, pre-trained projects. And yeah, this is great for like N8N workflows or make.com. It will probably already have the API docs and you can just verbally explain using Super Whisper what you're trying to achieve from your go-to-market idea. And it should be able to explain what you need to set up in Clay and what you need to set up in whatever that tool is, N8N or make.com. Um, yeah, that's pretty much the process I go through as someone who's not like a super technical coder. But at the moment, I am trying to learn how to use Cursor more because I think that is the future. And I'm going to be uploading some videos in the next few weeks of kind of my progression using Cursor and doing some like creative go to market ideas. But if you're looking to grow your B2B company and you'd like to have like a relaxed chat and see if we'd be a good fit, you can book a call with the link below. Other than that, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos, and I hope this is valuable.